Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this screen zoom issue on your iPhone. So it might be difficult to scroll around and do stuff on your phone, and you really can't move. So the first thing to try is just use 3 fingers just like this, and double tap the screen. Or you could try like a combination of different fingers. And this was able to pop up, just zoom it out then. And this is because we got the accessibilities option for zoom on. So 3 fingers should turn it off. Just try a different combination of fingers. And then once we're under the main settings page here, just go to accessibility. Then here's zoom. And completely disable on the top so it doesn't happen again in the future. It's not really a feature that we need. Now another thing that we could do is, if it's not turning off, hard reset your phone here. Or just soft reset it by pressing volume up, volume down, and the power button. So let's do that now. Volume up, volume down, power button. Hold this down. You're going to see the slide to power off. Just hold down the power button right here, and this will automatically restart your phone. And when we start back up again, the accessibility option for that should be turned off. So I'm just going to release this now, and my phone is restarting. And now we shouldn't have a problem with our zoomed in screen. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.